Alright, freaking gun it.
Oh my god.
So we're out here at Streetcar Takeover Houston. And Justin said, hey, you want to go grab something to eat? Let's take the RZR. So we're going on the streets with the RZR. Hell yeah, brother. We got our noxious bottles of freedom. Where are we going?
We're going to Jack in the Box.
Jack in the Box.
Yeah.
Alright.
We're going to Jack in the Box.
Alright, we're strapped up. Let's do it, Justin. Let's do it. You got your headlights on?
Yeah, our headlights are on. We're safe.
Hey! No one cares about your videos. Watch out for that Mustang. Oh my god. That was close. You're just gonna have to run them down. You just gotta.
Do we got a cone stuff?
No, I think you're good. The one thing that does worry me is we're leaving a car meet with a Mustang, so and we don't have any airbag.
Here, you just watch for police.
Yeah, I kind of am. Got drugged.
Yeah, you just got drugged by a RZR. If I had hazards, I would have flashed them.
It is so cold. We're out here doing it for Dale. I feel like a real American. All right, so nitrous on.
Yep, she's on.
Freaking gun it.
Oh my
god. Alright. So after further review, it appears as though we have driven away from all of them. I think this is the one.
That's the one we need to go to.
2 miles.
Here, let me see this.
Jesus.
Direction. This is 2.1 miles away. What the fuck? Where did we come from?
Okay, so this is the Jack in the Box we're going to. Unfortunately, it's only 1.8 stars. So I'm a little concerned about the service.
Well, it's Jack in the Box. I mean, if people's gonna rate Jack in the Box, they're pissed off because you can't turn their. Well, I'm gonna hop that fucking turn.
Yeah, you're gonna have to jump me. Oh my god! Alright. So what do we get now? That's the question.
Well, you can't go wrong with Jack in the Box tacos.
Yeah, get some tacos.
Get some tacos, maybe a couple burgers.
Man, what a beautiful sight. Turn that head beam on. Yeah. Alright, so what do we get?
8 tacos and 2 cheeseburgers.
8 tacos, 2 cheeseburgers. Okay, alright, I better get back in. Hello.
Plain cheeseburger? Yeah. Yeah, 8 tacos, 2 cheeseburgers.
Have you ever had a Polaris RZR in your drive-thru before?
No.
Sweet, we're the first one. High five to that.
How much do I owe you? $8.16. Oh shit, that's a deal.
That's a steal.
$8 for 8 tacos and 2 cheeseburgers.
That's a freaking American deal right there.
Someone's giving us a Polaris discount right now.
You know what? We can use the extra money you save to bargain a cop if he pulls us over.
That is true.
That's true. Oh, we got some people behind us. No wonder this place has a 1.8 rating. We've been chilling here for a while.
Sir.
Thank you.
You have a good one.
See ya. You got the goods?
Yeah, we're good.
There,
yeah.
all right. Someone put the cones back up.
Oh, it's all right.
All right, boys, we got dinner. All right, guys. Well, we just took the RZR through the drive-thru. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Yeah.
And as always, do it for Dale.
Absolutely.